Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Confirm the indoor unit is reachable and the remote has fresh batteries. Power the AC off, wait 30 seconds, then power it back on to clear transient states. This prevents false readings. Using the remote, note current mode, fan speed, and louver position so you can restore settings if needed. Once done, position the ladder safely and remove the front panel latch. Do not force it. You need access to the louver motor and the control panel behind the cover. Now you change the control logic that creates the comfort air pattern. First, try the remote menu, settings, air direction, and switch comfort air to off or standard. This is the safest path. If the option is hidden, enter the service menu by pressing mode and FAN together for about 5 to 8 seconds. Navigate carefully because this menu changes core behavior. Once inside, locate the parameter governing comfort mode or louver angle and set it to 0 or off. Save and exit to apply the change. Finish by verifying results. Cycle through cool, dry, and fan modes to observe actual airflow. Make sure air is no longer deflected away from occupants. If the louver is stuck or still creating comfort flow, gently move it to center to reset the motor position, then power cycle the unit again. If the unit shows error codes or the comfort setting returns, record the code and contact certified LG service. Do not attempt PCB repairs yourself. A single troubleshooting tip: always reset power after menu.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.